I'm Beth Rose and welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications if you haven't already. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder out of a pine cone. This was one of my favorite crafts growing up and it still is. It's so fun and super easy, so let's get started. Here's what you need: bird seed, peanut butter, a pine cone, yarn or string, a bowl, a pair of scissors, or skizzers as I like to call them, and a knife. We're going to start by taking our skizzers, measuring our string out to 1 foot, and then cutting it there. Now I'm going to take the string and I'm just going to tie it around my pine cone. It didn't work the first time, but I just went ahead and twisted it on there anyways. It'll work fine for what we're doing. Now you want to take your bird seed and pour it into your bowl and set that aside. Now spread your peanut butter over the middle of your pine cone. This was probably my favorite part growing up just because it was pretty messy. Now that you have a delicious looking pine cone, you're going to take this pine cone and dip every side into the bird seed. And do it multiple times just so you get as much bird seed on there as possible. Thank you so much for making this with me. It's been so much fun to share it with you guys. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.